Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the HDO box app to your Firestick in 2025. The whole process is pretty easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. So the first step is you gotta get the app code downloader to your Firestick. If you already have downloader on your device and it is properly set up, then you could actually skip this step. But if you don't have downloader yet, or you are unsure if it is set up correctly, then just follow me. So we have to go to the search on your Fire Stick, open the search bar right here, and start typing downloader in the search. And as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. You gotta click on it, and that is this orange app which you gotta get to your device. But after you got downloader, it's not over yet, because you still have to set it up. So now, in order to actually set up downloader, we gotta go to settings on the Fire Stick. So firstly go to the home screen and then select that button with a gear icon. Open it, then go to My Fire TV, open that as well. And now there, what you gotta do is turn on developer options for the Fire Stick. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's gonna say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps, and in here, all you gotta do is locate downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's gonna allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're gonna do right now. So we go back to the list of apps on your Fire Stick, open it, and now there is the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on the Fire TV Stick. But before actually using downloader, there is one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it is of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN. Because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say we'll connect to Romania right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is gonna be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video or in the description of this video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on a screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use downloader safely. So we go back to the list of apps on your Fire Stick. Here it is. Open it, and then head straight into downloader. So open the downloader app on your device as well. And now we'll need to use this big search bar to enter a code, which will allow us to download HDO Box app to the Firestick. So open the search bar, and now we'll need to enter a code, which will be 863280. So once again, it's 863280. That's the code you have to enter. Then you gotta click on go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Firesticks. And now the load of the app has started. It usually does take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. And now after the app was downloaded, of course we still have to make sure it is properly installed in your device. So click on the installation button and just wait a bit for the installation to finish. And after that, I do not recommend clicking done. Do not recommend clicking open. Instead, you should click on done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, which you don't